Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to figure out how to create a project plan from scratch? Unsure about what elements to include to ensure your project runs smoothly? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to developing a comprehensive project plan that sets your project up for success. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to craft a solid project plan. Welcome back to NxtChair, your go-to channel for mastering project management. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting, our How To series is designed to provide you with practical, actionable tips to ensure your projects succeed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future topics. Introduction to Project Planning. A project plan is the blueprint for successful project execution. It serves as a comprehensive guide that outlines the objectives, scope, timelines, resources, and key stakeholders involved in a project. Think of it as the roadmap that leads you from project initiation to successful completion. Effective project planning is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps ensure that everyone involved in the project is on the same page, fostering collaboration and clear communication. Second, it allows project managers to anticipate potential risks and challenges, enabling proactive mitigation strategies. Finally, a well-structured project plan enhances accountability, as roles and responsibilities are clearly defined. In today's fast-paced and dynamic business environment, having a solid project plan can mean the difference between project success and failure. Whether you are launching a new product, implementing a software solution, or organizing an event, a comprehensive project plan is your key to navigating complexities and achieving your goals efficiently. Let's dive deeper into the essential elements that make up an effective project plan and how you can create one from scratch. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide for creating a project plan from the ground up. Step 1. Define the project goals and objectives. Let's jump into the first step of developing a project plan, defining your project goals and objectives. This is crucial because clear goals provide direction and purpose for your project. Start by asking questions like 1. What do we want to achieve with this project? 2. What are the specific, measurable objectives? Your objectives should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "We want to improve customer satisfaction," a SMART objective would be, "Increase customer satisfaction ratings by 20% within the next 6 months." By having clear goals, you are setting a solid foundation for the rest of your project plan. Step 2. Identify stakeholders and their roles. Next, you need to identify your stakeholders. Stakeholders are anyone who has an interest in the project. This includes team members, sponsors, clients, and even external partners. Create a stakeholder map that outlines 1. Who the stakeholders are. 2. Their roles and responsibilities. 3. Their level of influence on the project. Understanding who's involved and what role they play will help you ensure that everyone is aligned and accountable throughout the project. If you are enjoying this guide so far, please hit that like button. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for you. Step 3. Outline the project scope. Now, let's talk about project scope. Clearly defining the scope will help you establish what's included in the project and what's not. This step is essential for preventing scope creep, where additional tasks or features are added without proper evaluation. To outline the scope. 1. List the key deliverables of the project. 2. Specify any constraints or limitations. 3. Identify what is outside the scope. By setting these boundaries, you can avoid misunderstandings and keep the project on track. Step 4. Develop a timeline and milestones. Once you have the scope defined, it's time to create a timeline. A timeline provides a visual representation of when tasks will be completed, and it helps you manage your resources effectively. Break down the project into phases and assign milestones to each phase. Ask yourself: 1. What are the key milestones we need to achieve? 2. What are the deadlines for each task? This structure not only helps in tracking progress but also keeps the team motivated as they achieve milestones along the way. Step 5. Allocate resources and budget. Next, let's discuss resource allocation. You need to identify what resources, people, equipment, or materials are necessary for the project. Create a resource plan that includes: 1. Team members and their roles. 2. Tools and technology required. 3. Budget estimates for each phase of the project. Make sure to align your resource allocation with your project goals and objectives to maximize efficiency. If you have any questions about resource allocation or budget planning, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Step 6. Risk assessment and management. Now, let's dive into risk assessment. Identifying potential risks at the planning stage is crucial for minimizing setbacks later. Follow these steps. 1. Brainstorm potential risks with your team. 2. Categorize the risks based on likelihood and impact. 3. Develop mitigation strategies for high-priority risks. By addressing risks early on, you'll have contingency plans ready if challenges arise. Step 7. Create a communication plan. The next step is developing a communication plan. Effective communication is key to project success. Outline. 1. How often you will communicate with stakeholders. 2. The methods of communication, meetings, emails, reports. 3. What information needs to be shared. This will ensure everyone is informed and engaged throughout the project lifecycle. Step 8. Monitor and adjust the plan. Finally, remember that a project plan is a living document. You need to monitor progress regularly and be prepared to adjust the plan as needed. Set up regular check-ins with your team to review progress, assess risks, and make any necessary adjustments. By remaining flexible, you can adapt to changes and keep the project on track. Benefits of creating the project plan. Creating a project plan offers several key benefits. Clarity and direction. A well-defined project plan provides a clear roadmap, ensuring everyone understands the project's objectives, scope, and tasks. This clarity helps align the team and stakeholders toward a common goal. 2. Enhanced communication. A project plan establishes a framework for communication among team members and stakeholders, reducing misunderstandings and keeping everyone informed about progress and changes. 3. Risk management. By identifying potential risks early, a project plan allows for proactive mitigation strategies, minimizing setbacks and surprises during execution. 4. Resource optimization. Effective planning helps allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that the right people and tools are available when needed, ultimately saving time and costs. 5. Performance tracking. A project plan includes milestones and deadlines, making it easier to monitor progress, evaluate performance, and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. 6. Stakeholder confidence. A comprehensive project plan builds trust with stakeholders by demonstrating that the project is well thought out and managed, which can lead to increased support and engagement. In short, a robust project plan is essential for guiding projects to successful completion, enhancing collaboration, and fostering accountability within the team. Conclusion. To wrap up, developing a comprehensive project plan from scratch involves defining goals, identifying stakeholders, outlining the scope, creating timelines, allocating resources, assessing risks, and establishing a communication plan. Following these steps will empower you to manage your project effectively from the start. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your team. Your support helps us create more valuable content. We'd also love to hear your suggestions for future topics. What project management challenges would you like us to cover next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more step-by-step guides to help you become a project management expert. Until next time, keep managing your projects like a pro.